Alright, DIYers, I'm just taking a look at my engine bay. You know, it's amazing. So the radiator's out. Excuse me, I'm getting ready to put a brand new radiator in. Manifold's out. The intake air box is out. And my battery's out. It's just amazing how much room you open up when you remove those four parts. And I'm just amazed at all the work that I've done with my CRV, replacing all my pulleys, all of my sensors. And you know, like I said, as a first-time DIYer, this project is taking me about a month and a half. Actually, I started in September. It is now October, towards the end of October, middle of October, towards the end of October, and I'm just finishing up. I'll be done this weekend. And I feel great about it because everything that I've done, I've saved between $5,000 to probably about $15,000 in labor. So I've learned a lot. I just wanted to share my journey with you guys. And as I continue to move forward, feel good about it. So just sharing. All right, peace. Okay, DIYers, as you can see, I have my water pump in. I have my tensioner in. I have my alternator in, all brand new. Have my starter in. I have my thermostat, brand new. I have my knock sensor, that's brand new. I have, let me point them out. Okay, DIYers. So I've got my water pump in, which is right here. I've got my alternator in, brand new, which is right here. Brand new tensioner, which is here. Hopefully I'm going to be able to take off my crankshaft and replace it and replace the seal. Have a brand new thermostat, which is here. Brand new knock sensor, which is here. It's my knock sensor. Brand new starter, which is here. And let's go through the rest of the bay. Have my camshaft sensors, which are here in here. Okay, got two of them. Replace them. My transmission sensors, which is here and here. Two of those. Have my coolant sensor, which is here. I believe that's what that one is. Have another one. Let's see. Which is underneath here, underneath the box. I replaced the sensor there. I've got my solenoids here and here. Those are both brand new. I'm going to be replacing my radiator, which is here. Got it loose. Yeah, that's crazy, huh? It's filling up. So progress is being made. I'm about 80% done. 85% done. I just got my new radiator, which is here. I'm going to be replacing it. I just got that the other day in the mail, so I'll be replacing that. But everything else is looking good. I'm feeling good. I feel great. My first time ever working on any vehicles in my life as a DIYer, and I've done well. I've done very well. So I'm blessed, y'all. Just wanted to share my experience with you and encourage you to do it yourself. Pay the money. If you have an older car, just get it done right the first time so you don't end up having to take it to a mechanic and them charging you thousands of dollars. So as my journey continues, I just want to share my progress with you guys. I am forever blessed. All right, let's continue to get busy.